Alright.
Greetings my people, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's Queen Jody, and we are here in Brufut Gardens once again, and we are about to tour this 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom house that's for sale. Alright, follow me.
Grew up in a hard knock life, but I never gave up trying. That's how they gonna write. That's how they gonna write the story of my life. Story of my life. Grew up in a hard knock life, but I never gave up trying. That's how they gonna write. That's how they gonna write the story of my life. Story of my life.
Let's take you around the property.
Alright, so we can talk now.
Yeah, go on now.
Yo, this look nice.
I love, well, this is a driveway, so if the 3 people made have 3 cars,
Them can hold.
you can park it right there, so.
This is like a storage.
Yeah, this look like storage. Let me see this back foot.
That's storage.
I'm going there, yeah. Alright. Nice space round the back here, someone.
This is the back here.
Yeah, nice space round the back.
This is wide. This is a lot of space, Jody. Watch out.
Whole heap of space. Hey! What's up?
My God.
Yeah. Alright, so this banana tree.
You have your little wash here, right? So, this is dope.
Yeah, I mean, you can fix up this a little more for your style, but it's spacious.
That's true.
Wow. And if you buy this right now, you get fruit off of the tree.
Hey, but these are the best banana.
Yeah, oh my God.
These are the best banana. That man try to tell you right now. That's nice. Watch out there. Yeah.
Alright, so guys, as we said, this property is a 3-bedroom and 2.5 bathroom property. And look how spacious it be. You can walk right around the house, which is something that most of us love, right? Like myself, my love can walk right around the house. Alright.
Okay. So we'll go inside now.
We're gonna be entering inside to see what it looks like. And right as my daddy, we call this the porch or the veranda. You understand? So as you can see from here, you use cash power right now. And I believe that's now with water, if not borehole. Let's go in. Wow. Okay, family. So one thing I love is that if you get guests who you don't want really come in a certain part of your house, them can just come to the door if they want to use bathroom and come catch them bottom right or so and use it and go and about them business. Oh my gosh.
So it's nice to have a bathroom like this outside for real. Nice doors, by the way. Very nice doors.
So guys, this is the entryway. With this entryway, you can enter. You can go down to the bedroom section, or you can actually enter your living room / dining. No, it's a living room.
Yeah.
/ entertainment, because you know you can set up your whatsoever you want in here.
One thing though, the spaces are huge.
I love the
Watch out, man. Just look how far Jody there.
I'm not lying. I love the look of the ceiling. You know, it's really nice.
Yeah, the ceiling look nice.
Very,
you know what I love? I love these wide doors though. This wide open doors.
Doors are wide.
Yeah, you can just go so.
Heavy, my furniture can
come through. Nah, lick up in a no wall. You know, I love that.
Alright, so here now is the dining area. Let's go on.
Yo, the dining area nice. You see, you have your overhead lights. You know, but like say you have this huge window right here so you can see outside. It's very nice.
I love the space. space thus far.
Yes.
Come with me, come with me. So we're back in, well, these are the
walkway, like.
yeah, yeah, the walkway. And to my
left. Let's go in here first. Like you want to go in
to
there.
my left is the kitchen.
First and foremost, we know you love the cooking, you know, so that's why you can't leave the kitchen.
Right, yes, to my left is the kitchen. So now this is the door that leads outside. So easy access to your back door, your back.
Yeah,
backyard. Your backyard and your side. Right here, so. Oh.
Wow, check out the cupboards.
Yeah, the cupboards are lovely. But as you guys, you can always refurb it if you want to repaint it or you want to put in glass door instead. There are so much things you can do. You understand, for upgrade it, to make it your style. You understand? You have the nice, I love set this there. Right, so you can look
outside. Yeah, the view with the sink. It's nice.
It's very nice, very nice. Very nice. Lovely space. Yeah, you can open it up even more if you want to put your stove
right here. So.
Or if you want to put the stove here, so nothing around.
That is true. And once again, lots of space. Look at.
Lots of space.
Yeah. But like to show you how far me and Jody there so you can see.
And for those of you who say, why, you know, some actually like an open concept. Of course, you will buy it. You can cut out part of the wall, so.
That's true.
Look straight to your living room.
You know, so you're smart. You're very smart. I forgot that you love doing this as well.
Alright, so to my right is the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom?
Yes, with the husband and wife run up and
so this is a full room then?
It's a full room. That's it.
Alright, full room.
Alright, come right in. And with that, guys, you have a nice, spacious bathroom.
Which we love.
No found about lad man, the bathroom, you know, like when the toilet, they're so close to the shower, and this is a perfect setup.
Yeah, let me show them.
See, you can go all about.
Hey.
Yeah, and you can just wash your hands. Yeah. I have a water heater and overhead setup.
Nice.
Yeah.
And stuff. Nice. You have your bathroom,
and your toilet,
inside stuff like that.
That's right.
You know,
so this is the master bedroom.
This is the shower around here because I never know in my kitchen. You understand?
Right.
Once again, I love the roof. Stuff like that is very nice.
And guys, this component is actually set up with not just water heater but
AC.
AC as well.
Yeah, AC connected there. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Alright, let's tour.
Let's move on down.
Yo! Alright, so.
Alright, not like that, but yeah, what is a step? Yes, you have to watch your step because this is a step down.
Okay.
Alright.
So step down.
So step down.
I actually like it.
In your shower.
I actually like it.
I love this. Bathroom spacious in AP.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like say you can step down.
Yeah.
And I like say you have enough space, you can build something for cover your yeah.
You see how them people they all love put them glass in their bathroom, you put a little glass to separate or yourself.
Yeah.
And you know. So nobody anybody where I use the toilet have to see your own so that's it.
That's true.
And yes.
And as well you have your water heater. And stuff like that. The only thing you don't have is no AC and mirror.
No mirror. So if you want to put mirror in there, yeah.
But remember,
and look here guys, look around here so. You see that space here? See that space here? You can put closets if you want. Yeah, where you put your robe, so when you're here you can put on your robe. You see? Them kind of stuff.
Oh, like on the shelf.
Or you have your thing where you store your towel and
toiletries. That would have been nice. A little shelf where you can store towels would be great. Yeah, that's nice.
Come on down to my left again.
My God, I feel like I'm giving you guys a tour of my house.
To my left again, guys. It's a nice size bedroom. So this is one of this is the second bedroom out of the 3 bedroom we talk about. And the advantage with this bedroom here is you have
2 windows.
2 windows.
Ching, ching.
So that's more ventilation and more light for those who love the natural light. And then of course you have closet. A lot of people always ask why the room them not have no closet and
there's a built-in one.
there's a built-in
It closed now, but you know the key is the key there. When you buy it, you get the key.
Exactly.
I love it, and I also have to get. I have to compliment the room, the roof, the design, and again more space, right? Let me show them again. Just people say, "Why the room small?" So far, am I there?
Yeah. And again, as I was saying, if you want, you can change out these doors into glass.
Whoa,
you know? So you even feel like you have more space in your room, and the glass will be reflecting on that window over there, so that it's like, oh, yeah, that's what I mean.
Like, oh, yeah, drop your knowledge and thing.
It is.
This is good.
So next other room is also similar to the one that we just looked at. So this is a third bedroom, and as we see here, pure ventilation.
Yeah, two window again.
Lights.
Two window again.
Perfect.
I love the lights, and I love that these two rooms have closet. It's very nice.
Yes.
I would like to sleep in this. You know why? Because as I said, if the place get too hot, I'm gonna really want to turn on no AC or what. Well, there's no AC in this one.
Yeah. These two rooms don't have AC. Like the second and third room we just showed them, not have no AC. But you guys can always
install it
if you want, or you put your fan. You understand?
Because the windows them say the heat won't trap. I like that.
Yeah.
It's very good. And the tiles as well. I
love the tiling.
And I like that the tile is the same throughout the house.
Yes. So guys, that's it for the walkthrough of this entire house.
Is it?
Is it? Yes. We just saw everything. We see the bedroom, the bathroom. We see the living room, the dining room, and we see the kitchen, right? And we see the walkthrough of like the walk around when we do the property.
Exactly. You run around, you mean? Because you move so fast.
Alright guys, so as I said earlier, we were just looking at this nice property for sale. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom, living and dining and kitchen. It's as is right now, it's beautiful. You can just move in as you buy it. If you want to use it as
investment property
where
you rent it out,
it's perfect.
Because
you can use it
in
right
Brufut.
now. And it's located in Brufut Gardens.
Exactly.
So
nice.
Brufut Gardens tends to be a prime spot for a lot of people.
Tell them how close it is. You know, it is to...
It's close to Turntable, not far from Ghana Town. Tangi,
Gambia, Sarakunda, all of them places that
it's in the close vicinity. Talk about beach. It's like a beach is like a walk foot.
You can walk on the beach.
You can walk on the beach. Alright?
Alright, so whenever I tell them the price for this house, the price for this house is $4.5 million Dalasi. Repeat after me, Queen Jody.
$4.5 million Dalasi.
Yes, I don't know. Work it out in USD and you will see, guys. We're gonna put a number in here that you can contact the person responsible for it, and so you guys can make, you know, get this, guys. Really and truly, we're gonna do a next run through, guys, to make you really see how huge and how spacious this place is. Me I telling you.
Okay.
You understand? So Jody, more than just one, you give me like an idea, like what would you put in this large area right here? So like, what are some of the things we are putting here?
My sofa, of course, because that is what makes the living room or the sitting room, quote unquote. You understand? So you would have your sofa and your, we call them table, coffee table. You understand? And some hanging plants. You know me love hang up plants and some little. Yeah, and for people who love watch TV, I'm not so much a fan of TV, but TV can go right here, so.
Yeah, put the TV right, that's how they go.
And the sitting room.
Oh.
You understand? And for those who like to work at home, you can set up a little work from home office right here. While you have your sitting, your dining, your more dining. This is the dining area.
That is the dining area. The kitchen is right behind it.
And the kitchen.
So this is where you say if anything you let us open up the wall.
Open up right here, so you have an open concept.
Yeah.
Understand?
That would have shut.
Exactly.
That would have shut.
So guys.
Yeah.
You know.
If they want more instruction, then can check you.
Yeah, man. The number to call.
So we're gonna drop the number and everything in there after the video. So you don't know, guys, we just wanted to show you this beautiful house that we saw when coming on our tour. So Queen Jody, you don't know how we wrap up the video. Let's wrap up the video because we're gonna do a one run through so the people can see it by themselves. Alright, so
So yes guys, this is a beautiful property. I'm happy I came here to see it.
Yeah, me too.
It reminds me of the first one that we looked at prior to this. But guys, it's one of the best thus far built. You understand? So
yeah, and it's rainy season now, so if water had leaking, would have stayed from the roof and all these things. So the house is in good condition, so yeah.
Yes guys. And as we tell you, it's close to a lot of things. Close to hospital, close to fishing village, close to
everything.
Supermarket. So if you buy this property, so as I was saying, it's an ideal space for investment or for your own benefit to live in. Alright, so guys, as you know, we always end our videos by saying, accept knowledge, raise the frequency, protect your roots. Or getting a piece of
getting a piece of house.
Get a house.
You go on.
Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise.